good day everyone. It's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to this YouTube video. And today in this video, I'm gonna be doing our weekly our normal weekly backtesting. Okay, so I'll be backtesting Euro USD for this week because many traders literally look down on backtesting. But in this video, many people don't know how to backtest, and you will still be learning. Although I've done so many videos teaching backtesting, right? But today in this video, I'll still elaborate further. You understand, and what we are going to anticipate next week market and overall, or what is the advantage, or what will this backtesting I'm about to do help me to understand the market better for next week. So as you can see, you literally, for you to make things easy and more clear, just pull out your vertical lines from the Monday of the week, the past week, right? Because today is Sunday now, today is a new week. So I've put in on Monday, so the next line should be on Tuesday. Okay, so I'll actually put a line on Wednesday down to Friday. Just stay with me. Please do well to like, subscribe and share this YouTube video. Okay, then if you want to learn more, okay, you can do well to contact me on Telegram or on WhatsApp. I'll be dropping the details on the video description if you want to join our VIP mentorship. And also do well to join our Telegram, because I post analysis and my trade setups, everything there frequently. Okay, sometimes I do post my trade ideas on the general group. So as you can see here, we have I've added the vertical line from Monday to Friday. So let me go to the 4-hour time frame currently. So this is the 4-hour time frame on Euro USD. Remember, we are backtesting Euro USD. All these lines just for you to devise the days for you to understand better or use it in context. So as you can see, the market opened here on Monday. Okay, this was where the market opened on Monday, and Monday formed the low of the week. So Monday formed the low of the week, and the high of the week was formed when? On Friday. Okay, this was on Thursday. Okay, formed on Thursday against Friday. So probably here is Monday, here is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, this Thursday. Okay, and this was the high. So overall opening of Thursday against Friday, that was when the high of the week formed. So let's break down to the 1 hour. So let us see it clearly, because this is a 4-hour window. Okay, we couldn't actually determine properly. Okay, it seems like it was on Friday currently. So let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. So now when you see the low of the of the week form on Monday and the high on Friday, and clearly what you're going to see here is a strong bullishness in price. Most at times it doesn't really happen like this, but currently you saw the low on Monday consolidated on Tuesday. So from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was a consolidation. Okay, as you can see, then the expansion was when? On Thursday. There was a retracement on Friday. Okay, so now when you see a market, let me actually show you guys with this. So market literally expands here. Okay, then you saw the market consolidate through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There was a consolidation. Okay, I'm just marking it as, it's not like I'm like, so that you saw what happened. I'm just talking about weekly profile now. Okay, so there was an expansion on Thursday. This was CPI, believe me. Thursday, then Friday, a retracement. So this retracement had happened. Okay, but now some people will be expecting lower prices currently. But now if you go over to the weekly time frame overall, because remember, higher time frame matters. Okay, so you focus on the higher time frame. But now the context I've gotten from this backtesting, firstly, knowing the weekly profile of the previous week, seeing how the high and the low of the week was formed Monday, then Thursday, Friday from the high, Monday low. So now also going down further, for every day, or every single day, we also have the high of the day and the low of the day. So currently the low of the day on Monday was at its open, but it retraced during London section, as you can see here, around 7. Then New York 11, made the high of the day. Then Tuesday was not a big range day at all. So now if you even calculate the high and low of Tuesday, let's do that right away. So this was the low of Tuesday. So you can see Tuesday was not even up to 50 pips daily range, so 40 something pips, including Wednesday. But now see, when high of the Wednesday was formed during the New York session, and this was low of Wednesday, it was formed during the London session. So here you can actually see that London forms the low, New York forms the high. Here also you can see this was around 11. Okay, here New York formed the low and the high because of news, right? Taking liquidity and everything. So here New York formed the low, but here now currently London formed the what? High of the day. Now, when you backtest and you see all this in context or context also, see that yes, this is what you're expecting during the London. Remember, time really matters, okay? Time really matters in what? Trading. You also focus on time in as much as you're seeing price action, okay? Time also what should be put into what consideration. So now you have gotten the context that mostly daily, once is past London session and you see a clear uptrend, right? You shouldn't expect price going lower. So maybe you take a trade or wait for a retracement during 130 or so, anything, you understand, then you now capitalize on the buys because now you're in an uptrend and London session has passed. New York session, any retracement is an opportunity to what? Take a buy. You remember, it's an opportunity to take a buy. And where will your stop loss be? Your stop loss will be at the what? What is it called? Your stop loss will be at the low of Monday's London session lows. Okay, so now I'm expanding further to the lower time frame. Let's see how we would have actually what taken advantages, or could, like, what would be our entry criteria, right? Assuming now we have seen it, how could we actually gotten an entry to take the trade? So currently this is the low of the on Monday. So this was a massive spike. Okay, or is this a line? This looks like a line. Okay, yeah. Now this is Monday. Okay, this is Monday's price action from the open to the close. So you can see here probably price expands, consolidates, expands, retrace a bit, consolidate. But now clearly the low was formed during the what Asian session. So most times many people will be selling, thinking that London will form the low. So probably they would have actually what hitting else. Remember, you're also doing this with concepts with market structure. Here you can see a strong order block price, actually very sharp order block price tapped into. So you seeing this formed, or this past price action during traded during the Asian session, to give you confidence that yes, price should not break lower, or at least even if you enter a buy here, where will your stop loss be? At these Asian lows. But remember, it's not like I don't even utilize Asian lows most of the time. So let's say you got your entry here. This is what backtesting. Let's see how many pips anyway. So it was around 25, just say 25 pips. Okay, so it's 25 pips. Now this after maybe you have seen this price action and you have anticipated that this is the low of the day, or you are utilizing this other block, this very short order block on the 1 hour time frame, right? So what will your target be? Probably you're targeting, let's see, let me make this smaller so I can see the past price action to know where we are targeting. Okay, probably you're targeting these highs here, and as you can see, price match this 1.74. Let's use our horizontal rate to make things easy. I'm just showing you backtesting of what you would have done during that time frame or time zone, right? How would you have taken advantage? Having now you have backtested, right? You have done your backtesting, you have seen how it's been done, or how the price action do happen most of the time. I'm just showing you the importance of what doing your what backtesting. Okay, I guess we have lost our Euro USD chart. Okay, we are back. So I'm just showing you what the importance of doing back testing. Okay, so this was Monday, using your 25 pip stop, putting your stop loss at the low of the day. Remember, your daily buyer should be also bullish here, right? You should be bullish, and you're targeting that high we actually just marked out from the, if you go high, these highs, and from here to here, this around 50 pips. So assuming you are paying attention, or you have this in context in mind, you would have risked 25 to get 50. That is 1:2. So this would have been how you would have taken advantage of this Monday's price action. Although price went further, as you can see, price went ahead giving us up to 90 or 100 pips, I guess, on a Monday. 99 pips, as you can see. But not everyone would, but once you got this 50, you're good to go. I believe you shouldn't be that greedy to, but if you can see, you see there is also a retracement lower. This retracement here, if you go to the lower time frame, it will be more clearer, right? So now, which time did this in particular form? This was around 10:11. So this was before New York opened. So London tried to go lower, but immediately London session, that is London New York overlap, once New York was coming, price actually was reversed and started pushing higher. Then the next pullback was on 15:00. This was around New York 3 p.m. It will be 3 p.m. around here, right? So there's always that retracement on 3 p.m. because of the 4-hour candle formation also, if you understand market protrationary state correctly. So this would have been Monday's trades, right? So for Tuesday, market is just consolidating. I don't think you get any entry of anything, but you can still take a trade. So currently here, this was around 13. So everything was probably just consolidating. You might just leave the Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, I believe I took a trade on Wednesday, and I took this buy in particular. These ones happened around 10 to 11. So as you can see, price literally tries to form the low during the London session. It does not always. This is if the price market is an uptrend, okay? This is when it's a confirmed uptrend, not when it is on a downtrend. You understand? So that is when you see something like this. Then on Thursday, this is CPI. I don't advise any trading during CPI or anything. So this is how I actually break down further of how you could have taken advantage, or if you have the knowledge of back, or you have been backtesting, right? And you actually have knowledge, and this is just the advantages of backtesting. You see many things, you see how price acts, you understand? So when people are confused due to you have backtested, you are familiar with the price action, you are not confused, okay? You don't actually look confused, you know what you're doing, you know what happened during a particular time, you know times likely to take advantage of something, you understand? So that is number one important. Then another thoughts we're going to be looking out for here is going to the weekly time frame also, because the higher time frame shows a lot. So going to the weekly time frame, in as much as I want Euro USD to take out these highs or reach above here, it's not going to go straight up. You still just expect small retracements, you understand, then it continues. Well, who knows how strong it is? Since I've been waiting for a pullback, I've not really seen any pullback that gives me an entry, but I'll still keep watching and waiting. There must surely be a retracement. You can still take the sell for the retracement even if you're bullish overall. So once again, thank you all for watching this YouTube video, and bye bye.